Hi guys, welcome to my channel. My name is Josephine. I'm a Nigerian living in Cape Verde. I live in South Island, Santa Maria precisely. I just coming across my channel. If you love my videos as long as you are watching, you can kindly subscribe, comment, like, and share, and tell a friend to tell a friend about this channel because you are gonna love it. It's all about Cape Verde, living here in this beautiful country. I live in South Santa Maria precisely. Do you know where Cape Verde Island is located? No, you don't know it. Sometimes I tell people I live in Cape Verde. People say, where is that? Is that the name of a city in South Africa called Cape Town? There was a time I was in a live stream on TikTok. People were mentioning where they live. Immediately, I mentioned Cape Verde. They were like, where is that? We haven't heard of that name before. My videos are all channels talking about Cape Verde, so you know where this beautiful country is located. Guys, I'm so happy. I don't know. Good news to share with you guys. Sip your wine, sip your juice, and get prepared to hear the good news. Today's video is a very beautiful update. You think of coming to Cape Verde, you're already in Cape Verde. These are the 5 lucrative business you need to start here in Cape Verde. I will be mentioning them and explaining how you are going to make millions with them here in Cape Verde, living here in SAR, my experiences and how it goes here. That is what I will be talking about. Before I go further, anyone that invites you to Cape Verde or that is taking you to Cape Verde, it could be a brother or a sister, aunt, boyfriend or husband. If they tell you that there are professional jobs here in Cape Verde, do not believe them. There are no professional jobs here in Cape Verde. If you are those person that got skills, you got handwork, Cape Verde is a place of skills and handwork. So guys, I don't want this video to be a long one. Let me go straight to the point and mention the 5 lucrative business to make millions with living here in Cape Verde. And when I say millions, when you convert the currency here in Cape Verde, they use escudos and euros. When you convert it to your country's currency, you know that you are making millions. Yes. So guys, what are those businesses? Number 1 here is laundry business. If you are those person that does laundry, like dry cleaning, you wash clothes, you dry them, it's a very lucrative business here in SAR. This is how you do it. When you come in every of the island you are, you could be in Boa Vista, Praia, Santiago. Praia and Santiago is same thing. Praia is the capital of Cape Verde in Santiago Island. You live in Sao Vicente, you live in Boa Vista. This business pays a lot. Coming here to SAR, the people that does this business have never stopped it. The only guy that stopped was, I think there was a kind of challenges. He was so stressed up looking for an apartment. He couldn't go and he was like, no, I'm not going to do this business again, and he stopped. But this guy told me that it's a very lucrative business. It got money. When you pack your clothes to give people to wash, people that do laundry business, they weigh them by scale. It could be 1 kilo, 2 kilo. There is a particular amount that comes with it, 1,500. It could be 2,000. Depends on how the clothes weigh. If you are somebody that washes people's clothes, you do laundry and dry cleaning, if you come here to SAR, you are going to make money from it. And being honest, like if I tell you how much I spend, in most cases, I think I'm even spending money unnecessarily because it's not every day, every time I wash my clothes. In most cases, I will just call them, come and carry these clothes. They wash it and I give them money. Is it laziness? I don't really know. That is not laziness. Sometimes you don't need to stress yourself much. These people, you go to meet them, you tell them every of the clients, and to beautify it, you can print a postcard, you beautify it. This is what you do. You are into delivery after washing on a particular day of the week. It could be Monday, it could be Saturday. You reach out to them after washing. Like when you pack the clothes, you wash it today, you tell them tomorrow, or you pack it tomorrow, you tell them next tomorrow, and make sure you are this person who is very neat. Not after washing them they see dirt. No, it's not like that. And something you are going to ask, I know some of you will say, I don't have a laundry machine now, how do I do it? When you are living here in any of the island you are, you can buy a bucket. Immediately you start doing it and you see that it's now fetching you money, you see that yes, with this money I can go buy laundry machine, you can go and do that. The other lucrative business again that will fetch you millions, like it will really fetch you millions, if you are a stylist, you know how to make hair so beautiful. Like this one I am wearing, that this is afro, somebody makes this then in Nigeria, I brought this to Cape Verde. If you know how to do this, you are going, because people could ask me, where did I get this? I say I brought this from my country, from Nigeria. If you are this person who is a stylist, you make good hair, you must not even have a shop. When you come here to Cape Verde, you go to the road, you meet people, that is what you do, you speak to tourists. That is how the Senegalese ladies do here. They go to the tourist road. I know it's not easy. Oh. If you are this person who is lazy, you cannot do it. Oh, you cannot do it. But if you are not lazy, if you are not shy, if you are this person that doesn't feel so stressed, you are going to make millions from it. Now, if you cannot even go to the road, you meet up to those people that got shop, you meet them, they will not tell you this is how much we are going to pay you per month. If you are not okay with the price, you can go to another place and you have to estimate the price that is better. Now, making this hair, you should be a professional, you should be very good in it. It pays millions. If you calculate how much you earn a day, especially the season time, oh my gosh, if you calculate the money per week in a period of 1 month, convert it to your country's currency, you will see, you will know that you are making millions here in Cabo Verde. I'm this person who is honest. I am going to tell you guys the truth, because you guys have not heard this from any other person. I will be the only Nigerian who will keep on talking about the honesty living here in this beautiful country of Cabo Verde. The other one again I want to talk about. Hey. Ooh, body the sweet me. Oh, if you are this person who knows how to cook, you can cook so very well. I made a detailed video on how to make millions from cooking. Go and watch that video. You are going to love it. You are a chef, you are going to make millions. Now, for you to know how to make millions from cooking, go and watch that video on how to make millions from cooking. It's one of the lucrative business here that will fetch you millions in a period of 1 month. Yes, if you calculate the currency to your countries after the exchange. The other business here that fetch money, like it fetch money a lot. If you like, play with this video. If you like, take it serious. If you like, oh, there is a saying, let those that are ears, let them hear. If you don't want to listen, oh, if you don't want to listen, that is your what? That is your business. The other one again is selling of braids, wigs and hair of all types. You are this person that have somebody who lives in China, who lives in any of the country, or lives in Nigeria, if they can ship in hair, wigs, braids of all type. If you see, there's one of the braid I always wear, I always talk about it on my videos. Had it been I'm this person who is selling wigs, I would have made lots of millions from it. Sometimes the Canadians would ask me, even the Nigerians here knew that that wig is not here, that braid is not here. I'm going to insert it on the course of making this video. Ah gosh, if you are coming from your country, if you want to start a business, this selling of wigs and braids, they make money here inside, like inside, yeah. Anything you shipping, you buy to this island, when you want to sell it, it's very expensive. You are this person again, I'm going to talk this, you know how to market businesses, you can market, you are a good marketer, you can gossip, like that your gossip talent, shipping on how to talk to clients, talk to customers, you convince them. If these people want to massage, if they want to braid hair, if they want to plait their hair, when you bring a client to anyone here, the commission they give you is 500 escudos, depends on what they buy. If it's 2 clients, 1,000 escudos. If it's 6 clients, you bring in a day, you are making 30,000. And out of these 6 clients, now let's assume you have these 6 clients at once. If they buy something from this person, that money is yours that instant. If they refuse to give you, you call police. That is how it's being done here, because some persons, they don't want to pay for that commission. If you do any business with anyone, they refuse to pay you for that commission, it's your right to call the police. Calling police for somebody here is normal. We don't see it as a sin in Nigeria. Oh, when you call police for me, he's my enemy, he hates me, he do this. We don't see it like that here in Cabo Verde. So it's going to fetch you millions. The other one again, if you are this person who is good in polishing of nails, you can transform nails, like you have a talent for pedicure and manicure, you can fix eyelashes, like these eyelashes kind of, they will employ you. They will really want to employ you. They want you to work with them. If you can do it on your own, you do the street hustling on your own. When you see this client, you take them to a shop. When you take them to this shop, the money you just pay is just for the space that you use. That is how it's being done here in Cabo Verde. Yeah, there is no dulling. Nothing goes for nothing. It's a place of smartness. That skill that you have, that skill that you have that is not fetching you anything in your country, come to Cabo Verde. When you come to Cabo Verde, you are going to make money from it. I am telling you this truth, honestly speaking, you are going to make money from it. And this money, when you convert it to your country's currency, it's a very big money. The other one you are going to make money from again, like you are going to make millions from it if you are a makeup artist. As I'm here, sometimes I want to vlog and I just want to glam my face. See, a makeup artist is very hard. My birthday was June time. I did not see a makeup artist, but currently I saw a guy. If you watch my video on how to make millions from cooking, I also made a shot of this Sierra Leone guy. He's into makeup. He's the person I just got right away. If you are here in Cabo Verde, when people want to do party, they born where they pass marriage for years. So if you have a talent in that, you are gonna make millions from it. The other one you are going to make money again from, if you are somebody who barb hair. When you shave this hair so beautiful, you are going to make money. I love you all. Bye bye. Obrigado. Namaste. Why am I happy? Good news, good news, good news.